gentian, availing itself of August warmth, is a late bloomer in the timberline meadows. A rose crown thrives among the very little soil. The color blue columbine, the same flower, prospers above and below the timberline, growing up to 24 inches tall. Alpine sunflower, Arctic gentian, rose crown, Colorado blue columbine. Orange, yellow, and black lichens, hardiest of the plants that brave the mountain's high altitudes and crest a boulder on the alpine tundra. Terrain too harsh for trees. Above and below the rock are two other tundra natives, alpine clover top and alpine sandwort. That's a floral-covered rock. Flamboyant against the mist of the San Juan Mountains, a stand of quaking aspens brightens a cloudy valley on the western flank of the divide. Their leaves change color because it's autumn. The luminous yellow of the foliage in the picture below is the aspen's most characteristic fall color and has earned it the name of golden aspen. The reddish hues of these aspens will appear in successful trees if the parent trees are not cross-pollinated with others having different colored leaves. In this picture, the leaves are red and orange, and in this picture, the leaves are yellow. Reaching the end of their autumn cycle, the slender trees of a young aspen group cluster in bare symmetry, already denuded of their foliage. The dead leaves, spangled by raindrops above, form a thick carpet that will enrich the soil and prepare it for the growth of the future stand of evergreen trees. These leaves are covered in droplets. And these birch trees are very tall. In a single file, 4 wild horses cross a plain in the Great Divide Basin. Descended from once domesticated stock and now protected by federal law, the Mustangs will briefly tolerate inspection at close range above, then gallop off to resume their roamings. Look at all these horses. And they're running. Close up look at them. Big sagebrush, which thrives in arid western valleys, sometimes grows as tall as 10 feet. Like this hardy specimen on the rim of the Great Divide Basin, an important source of food for wildlife, its evergreen leaves help sustain antelope, elk, and mule deer through the late winter months. It looks withered. Huge holes and crevices riddle the rainy eroded sandstone of the honeycombs, a unique 20,000-acre area within the Great Divide Basin. Wooden trucks worn down by countless thousands of covered wagons still mark the gentle hills of South Pass, Wyoming. The relative eve of crossing this portion of the Great Divide made it a favored 19th century route for Oregon-bound settlers and California gold seekers. You guys remember the gold rush? This is one of their sites. The most famous bearskin rug of this time, displayed at the St. Louis World's Fair of 1904, was originally known as Old Clubfoot, a grizzly